So you prefer that I...
Exactly, there is a microphone already.
So...
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
And here, down here. And one more time here. Wait. Just one smile here to the right. Just one more picture. One more picture. Thank you. Thank you. Sind die a tight schedule?
Yeah. Yes. This is for the TV? Okay. So it has to be spontaneous, which it will be. Yeah, I feel extremely honored to receive this highest recognition from Sweden. I think surely of my former team in Vienna and at Umeå University who contributed to this great discovery. I also think of all my colleagues of the CRISPR field and all the scientists who have really done a fantastic job to bring this technology further. That allows now to have a genome engineering technology, a very versatile one, that is used by multiple scientists all over the world to modify genomes of cells and organisms. So it's a great discovery, and I'm very happy to be one of the pioneers of this discovery.
What did you write when you heard the news? You went around for a few years already, so were you
No, so it's clear. I was reminded on a very regular basis that very likely the so-called CRISPR-Cas discovery will be awarded one day the Nobel Prize, and that maybe I will be one of the awardees. But I have to say that this morning when I received the call from the General Secretary of the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, I was extremely emotional and extremely moved, as a matter of fact. I mean, it sounds surreal that I say this, but I could not believe it, even though I knew that it would happen one day. But when it happens, then you have to digest it and realize that, yeah, it has happened.
You're in 1 week now with Mary Curie, for example. Not that many women have yet.
Yeah, so I find it for sure extremely nice that the award is going for 2 women. I think this is the first case ever seen for the Nobel Prize. And actually thinking about it, because I was asked the question this morning, I think it's quite also reflective of what you see nowadays. One has always to keep in mind that in general, Nobel Prizes are awarded 20, 30 years after the discovery. And this discovery is only 8 years ago, and it has bloomed extremely. So everyone is using now the CRISPR-Cas9 technology, and I think it's just reflective of what is happening in our days, meaning that scientific work involves collaborations, and we collaborate with scientists we think we should collaborate with, whether they are female scientists or male scientists. Here it's just happened that it's 2 female scientists, and it's quite reflective of what is happening in our days. I hope it will remain as such, but it's reflective of the fact that science becomes more modern and involves more female leaders. And I do hope that it will remain and even develop more in this direction, because it's obviously maybe more cumbersome to be a woman in science than being a man in science.
How will you spend the rest of the day?
The rest of the day I will spend it at press conferences. I have one press conference waiting for me, and replying to all the messages that I have received. I received 300 emails within 15 minutes of time, plus all the messages through WhatsApp and iMessage. So yes, I have a lot of correspondence to do as well. Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
There will be 2 press conferences at 2:30 and at 4 p.m. both with live streams. You can find information on the Max Planck website.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can you show it to us? Could you show it to us? Thank you.
It's a Swedish